Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see Instagram post insights. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. First go to your profile from bottom right corner. To see your post insight you have to switch to your professional account. You cannot do this on your personal account. So if you haven't already, then switch to professional account. And then tap on a post you want to see the insights of. But you have to remember, you will not be able to see the insights of your previous post. Tap on a post and then tap on View Insight. And you will see all of your post insights here. Since I have recently switched to professional account, there are no information on the insights. From now on, whenever you post on Instagram, you will be able to see insights from here. And that's how you can see your Instagram post insights. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.